up, guys? So I'm back with another video. I told you I was gonna come back with another video. So as y'all can see by the title and behind me, I have some clothes hung up because today I'm recreating Pinterest outfits and this should be fun. This is gonna be part 1 though, so we're gonna get straight into it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first outfit I have is like some plaid pants, a ruffled shirt, and a jacket, and some Converse. So we're gonna go put that on, and I'm gonna see you guys when that's on. So guys, this is the outfit. And y'all see how she had the riffles here? So I didn't have one in white. So I put a blue one on. And fun fact, because this shirt is not even a tube top, it actually has shoulders. If you guys seen that picture, you know what I'm talking about. She had a jacket. I had a similar jacket I was gonna use, but it wasn't working out. So this one, and I don't even like this jacket because I don't like the way how it looks dirty, but it works out. So this, and the Converse. So she had the Converse, but instead what I did was I tied it in the back like that. And I mean, this is kind of cute, but I don't think I'll wear this. But yeah, comment down below if you think I did good looking like her without the hat. But yeah. So now we about to go to the next outfit. So the second outfit we got is a brown kind of sweater, but the one she has on is lighter. Mine's a little bit darker, and a black skirt. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Now y'all can't tell me I don't look like her, and she's standing like this. She's like this. But this skirt is mad cute, and it has a zipper here. I was gifted this, so shout out to you. And then, yeah, it's like this, and she's like this. So like my shirt is darker, so I look horrible, so I cannot wait to start looking like this. But she didn't show her face, so I'm just gonna go like this. And we out to the next outfit. But yeah, rate this guys in the comments. How did I do? I kept trying to sew it together, it wasn't working, so but rate this outfit. Rate this outfit. Let me know how I did. Ooh, you guys, the lighting, it gets me so mad. Like, it looks bad. So guys, this wraps up. This outfit right here wraps up the end of this video, and I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna do a part 2. This was just part 1 to show you guys me recreating Pinterest outfits, and so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I am really off this because it's like 5 in the morning right now, And yo, I need to get rest because I sound horrible. And wish me get well. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.